11 October 2024. It's Ironman from Ironman Forex Trading Group. As you can see on the board, the topic is signals making. To the left side we have M shape, and to the right side we have W shape. Let me start on the M shape. This one can give us a signal for a sell. What you need to look at, if you look at the M below the word sell in blue, you can see some arrows. So the first leg goes up and it faces resistance at the point which is written A, R, and then on the part which is written B, the candlestick starts to go down. You are supposed to ignore all these movements, and then we have a C part which is going up. After that, it faces again another resistance at the top, which is written at the area written sell here. At that resistance point, this is where you place your sell, and then you go to the G leg, which is the leg that you are supposed to harvest the profit, and then it goes down until it reaches the point written TP. This is how you can make a signal for sell. So you can simply look for these shapes. If you can see a shape which is likely to form an M, it means you are supposed to sell. If we go to the right side where there is a W shape, you can see it is written buy. The left leg, which is written A, the candlestick moves down and then it faces resistance, and then it moves up where it is written B, it faces another resistance, then finds support and moves down to using the root written C, and these are candlesticks, and it faces resistance at the point which is written buy. At that point, if you place your buy, and you can have that leg written T, which is going up until it reaches the point which is written TP, which is take profit point. This is how you can also make a signal for buy. I think this is quite easier for those who are failing to close even a blue trade in profit. I don't know why are you doing that. This forex trading is very easy. I think these notes will help you. I will keep on posting different types of methods that we can use and integrate to make some signals. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos. If you don't have an account, please go to the description section, click the link which is there, and then open your account now. If you want to open Synthetic Indices account, the link is there. For currencies, the recommended broker is also available there. Thank you. Don't forget to click the notification button so that you won't miss my future videos. Good time. Goodbye. I am enjoying, guys. Let us enjoy together. Goodbye.